Every December, even though Christmas in South Africa is warm and sunny, the smell of mince pies always meant the festive season had arrived. We never baked them, we'd buy a pack of 6 and we'd eat them after long days in the pool with salty hair and sunburned shoulders, and the warm spices still made sense in summer. They're sweet and comforting, so now, in Japan, I bake them to soften the homesickness that always finds its way into winter. This year, I wanted to bring that memory into my kitchen, but also let it evolve to blend my past with the ingredients I have here, as well as playing with the flavors of fermentation. This year, instead of using sugar, I fermented my fruit in honey for 2 weeks. The honey slowly drew out the juices, turning everything into a thick, fragrant syrup with a bright citrusy tang. You can see the bubbles, showing that the taste is coming alive. When the ferment was ready after about 2 weeks, I cooked it the same way I would a traditional mincemeat, but with small changes that make sense for life abroad. A little grated apple, a spoonful of kabosu marmalade to take place of the orange, and all the traditional spices: cinnamon, allspice, clove, and nutmeg. It's the familiar scent of Christmas, but brighter and fresher. As it simmers, the marmalade melts into the honey ferment, creating this glossy syrup. The fruit softens, the spices warm up, and once the heat is off, a splash of dark rum brings back the traditional richness, the flavor I truly remember. In Japan, Christmas can feel underwhelming and a little distant, but baking these pull me right back into the familiarity of home. The smell alone feels like family gathering around the table again. They don't look exactly like the ones we used to buy, but they hold the same sweetness and the same warmth. A small way to feel close to the people I miss, and a reminder that traditions can travel, grow, change, come alive, and still carry home with them. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you try a honey-fermented mincemeat, let me know how yours turn out. And whether you're near family or far away, I hope this season brings you a little comfort and sweetness.